Hey, what's up, y'all? So, I couldn't get my pumpkin smoothie the other day, so I decided to make a vegan one. So, we're going to see. This is just a can of pure pumpkin. See what that tastes like by itself.
No.
Just tastes like pumpkin. A little sweetness. Banana, got some ice. Almond milk here. And of course, the whipped topping wouldn't be vegan, I don't think. Probably not. I have some brown sugar and some ice. So I guess what we'll do is use, I don't know if I should use a whole can. What you think?
Yeah, I might as well.
Alright, so we're going to use a whole can. And if I didn't, it tastes alright. I mean, yeah, baby food. Yep, that's what it is. That's certainly what it is, baby. Y'all, she joining on my blender.
No, I didn't.
Cause I said I need a new blender. She ain't have to agree.
No, I'm just saying, all the times you said it don't chop well, or we want a juicer or something.
Then she ain't had to agree.
It works fine.
I said here, it's a ninja, so it's a ninja.
Right.
You can either have your banana frozen, and that way you probably wouldn't need any ice. Alright, so brown sugar here. Probably just use, this is light brown sugar. Like a teaspoon, like a rough teaspoon there. Since the pumpkin is actually kind of sweet already. And as far as the almond milk, you have to kind of judge it to your own. I'll put that with topping off because that's not, like I said, that's not vegan. I guess they make a vegan whipped topping. I would imagine so. You can also add cinnamon and nutmeg and vanilla. So any of those you can add, or you can add them all. I forgot to mention, but we didn't add it here. That way you would have like a pumpkin pie flavor. Alright, y'all, look what we have. Ooh, say Birdie made her own. Alright, y'all. Which one do you want?
No matter. You get the pretty one.
Which one is the pretty one? This one? Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Let's taste. Oh, I got that Papa banana. Yes.
That's different.
It's good. Next time I may try to put some apple. Maybe some apple and banana in there, maybe. I don't know. What would you do different?
No, that's good.
This is good, y'all. This is good, and it was easy.
I usually don't like pumpkin stuff.
Oh, this is delicious. Delicious smoothie. Delicious smoothie. And y'all know where that came from. Let me know down in the comments. Delicious smoothie. This is good. See, I would pay $6 for this. spent $21 at Tropical Cafe smoothie the other day. This is good. That brown sugar. But, vegan, y'all. Vegan. Ooh, yes. And it blended everything pretty good this time. We need, well, if we could get all in one, that's like a blender and a, what do you say, for the, juicer.
You're right.
I would love to juice things. Oh, yes. Delicious. Perfect consistency and everything. And healthy. With that almond milk, that was unsweetened vanilla almond milk from actually Walmart. It was a little bit cheaper. It's usually like $5 or something like that. It was like $2.08. So yes, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I finally got my pumpkin smoothie. Always easier and cheaper to make yourself. That can of pumpkin costs $2, I think, and you know bananas are cheap, and so $2. The almond milk was $4. I already had the brown sugar, and I said bananas already, right? Yeah, bananas are cheap. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. And you guys take care. Let me know if you ever tried a pumpkin shake, and will you now? Because Birdie said it was good. Alright, y'all. Take care. Bye. It's almost Halloween.